In this video, we will demonstrate how DCHQ can automate the deployment of clustered container-based applications across multiple Linux hosts in order to ensure high availability. Let's first create a data center. A data center or a cluster is just a collection of Linux hosts that can be running on the same cloud or across multiple clouds. We first select our placement policy like a capacity-based placement. But the more important thing here is that we've now enabled Weave networking that will facilitate cross-container communication across multiple hosts, regardless whether they're running on the same cloud or across multiple clouds. Now let's look at a template that deploys a clustered container-based application across multiple hosts. So this is a Docker Compose template with some key enhancements to Docker Compose. You'll notice that it's a Java application deployed on Tomcat and MySQL, but Tomcat over here has a cluster size of 2 in order to ensure high availability, and the 2 nodes of this cluster will be distributed on 2 different hosts. MySQL container will be deployed on yet a 3rd host. Now this host parameter does not necessarily have to have the host 1, host 2 values. Alternatively, you can provide the actual IP address, the actual host name, or you can provide wildcard information. So over here, if we had said db-star, it would pick a host name that starts with db and deploy it on that host within that data center. Now let's go ahead and deploy this application from the self-service library. I'll go ahead and click Customize, and from here I'm gonna go ahead and select my environment tag. I'll select Staging in this case and select the data center. In this case, Rackspace Demo has been Weave enabled, and I'm going to go ahead and deploy this application. So our application is now running, and you'll notice that it's running on 3 different hosts. The 2 app servers are on 2 different hosts, and MySQL is yet on a 3rd host. So if we go ahead and copy and paste this IP along with the port mapping for port 8080, we should be able to log into the Pizza Shop application, and sure enough, it's up and running.